Welcome to Xrero POS Restaurant. Let's dive in. Xrero Restaurant POS is the table service point of sale for restaurants, cafes, and food outlets. Waiters take orders at the table, send them to the kitchen, manage guests and courses, split or merge bills, add tips, and take payment, all on a touch screen. Sign in to Xrero and open point of sale. The back office, dashboard, orders, products, reporting, configuration, manages everything. The touchscreen till opens when you start session. A floor is an area of the venue, main hall, terrace, VIP. Each holds tables drawn on a plan. Set them up once so the floor screen matches your real layout. As in retail, a session is one shift. Open it from the register card. Enter the opening cash float if cash control is on. The floor screen shows your tables as shapes. Color tells the status at a glance. The tab at the top switches floors, and each occupied table shows its running total and how long guests have been seated. Tap a free table. You're asked for the number of guests covers. The order screen opens, showing the table and guest count at the top. Useful for reporting average spend per guest later. The order screen mirrors the retail register with restaurant extras. On the left is the order grouped by course. On the right, the menu in category tabs. Tap a dish to add it. Tap again for another. Many dishes have modifiers. Choices the kitchen needs, spice level, side, size, no onions. Use course to group dishes into starters, mains, and desserts so the kitchen fires them in the right order. Starters now, mains when the guests are ready. Select a line and tap Note to add a kitchen instruction. No onions, well done, allergy, nuts, which prints on the kitchen ticket. When a course is ready to cook, tap Order. New and changed lines are sent to the kitchen printer or the preparation display, so chefs see exactly what to make and for which table. The preparation display is the kitchen screen. Each sent order appears as a ticket showing the table, the dishes, and any notes. Guests moved seats? Open the order and tap Transfer, then pick the new table. The whole order moves across, and the old table frees up. When two tables join, a larger party, merge their orders so they pay together. Transfer one table's order onto the other, or select multiple tables to combine into a single bill. When guests pay separately, tap Split. Move items into separate bills. By item, each pays for what they had, or evenly by guest, then settle each one in turn. Tap Bill to print a pre-receipt for the guest to review before paying. The table turns red on the floor, so the team knows it's winding up. When a guest leaves a tip, often added to a card payment, enter it on the payment screen. The tip is recorded separately so you can report and distribute tips fairly, and it's included in what the card is charged. Payment. Not every order is at a table. For takeaway, start an order without selecting a table and mark it takeaway. For delivery, attach the customer and address. At the end of service, the manager closes the session like in retail. Open the menu, choose Close Register, count each payment method, resolve any cash difference, and confirm. All table orders are listed under point of sale orders. The full POS report set applies. X/Z reports, sales/payment/category/product summaries, top selling and profit reports, so you can analyze covers, average spend per guest, best-selling dishes, and busiest hours. Each dish is a product flagged available in POS, with a POS category, starters, grills, drinks, a price, and 5% VAT. Configuration and settings. A combo is a meal deal at one price made of choices, e.g. grill meal equals one grill plus one side plus one drink for $80.79. On the till, adding the combo prompts the waiter to pick each part. The kitchen sees the full breakdown and the price stays fixed. With self-order, guests scan a QR code on the table or use a kiosk to browse the menu and order from their phone. The same customer reward tools as retail apply. A loyalty program, earn/redeem points, gift cards, coupons/promo codes, and e-wallet. Attach the customer to the table, then redeem points or apply a code at payment. Handy for regulars and promotions. A restaurant station typically adds kitchen printers to the standard till hardware. Route each menu category to the right printer, grill, cold kitchen, bar, so tickets print where the food is made. With employee logging on, each waiter signs in with a PIN or badge, so every order and table records who served it. Restaurants often charge different prices for dine-in, takeaway and delivery, or run happy hour and Ramadan offers. A price list per channel applies the right price automatically based on the order type, so the menu price is always correct. Glossary. Turn on is a bar/restaurant for the register, then add floors and tables in configuration. That is Xrero POS, restaurant. Start your free trial today.